I'm going to unbox and use this 8.5 amp electric grass trimmer. I bought this in May of 2025 at Princess Auto in Canada for $60 Canadian plus tax. It was on sale from a regular price of $100. The contents of the box are as follows. We get a user's manual here, which actually says edger with built-in blower. Here's the unit itself. The cutting action down on that end. Our main handle up here. Here's our plug. And we have, what do they refer to? This is our secondary handle. We'll stick on there. They call this the guard. Anyway, let's put this thing together. We're going to install the guard onto the trimmer. And there is a Phillips head screw right here. Phillips head is like the kind of star type of a head on it. We're going to remove that. And then we turn the trimmer like this. I'm going to slide our guard on, and then that screw will go into place. There's the hole for the screw on the guard. Which should line up there now. So here's our line, and this is the cutoff blade here. You got to remove the covering over this, which is tape, as you can see. Watch your fingers there, because it is made for cutting off that fairly thick plastic line. So now we're going to attach what they refer to as the auxiliary handle. This will only go on one way. It's going to attach up here, and you can see that on one side of it, it has these grooves, and on the other side of it is just this hole, which matches up on the opposite side of the trimmer. So what you do is you push hopefully that's coming out, push these two buttons in, slide the handle over that way like that. As I mentioned, because of the grooves, it will only go on one way. Then it locks. Now if you want to adjust that, that's in place now. You just push this button in over here and lock it into a different position. There's a locking clamp here to adjust the height. And all you do there is push this forward. Actually, let's just lock it. See, it won't move. Push that forward, and it goes out. Remove that piece of tape that is keeping our cutting line in place. Make sure to read over your owner's manual for this device. Lots of good tips on how to actually use it. Things like going left to right, the angle that it's best to use at, that type of thing. At any rate, I have my electrical cord plugged in. As we talked about, trigger. Or if we go over to blower mode, don't really have a lot to blow here, but hopefully you'll see the... I think that's it for this video. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.